long time to get down there. Now I'm going to put the magnet down just to see if it can pick up that iron. Because if it can't, I know the magnet's no good, but I'm pretty sure this is a great magnet. I've been using it for water hunting. It can pick up a cannonball, axe head, just about anything. It has a 254-pound pull on it, I think. Got something on the end of it. It's that piece of metal.
Oh.
It worked just fine. You gotta pull it up from the side. You can't be leaning over the middle while pulling it up. That is very dangerous. I wouldn't try this by yourself. You know I'm doing it. Piece of metal's still on there. Look at that. Didn't have no rope at the house, so I put a bunch of ratchet straps together and stuff. Man, the mosquitoes are terrible. And I probably got 50 bites on my arms. Okay, y'all are not going to believe this. I just got a good signal over here. It showed like an 81, 82, and it was only 2 inches deep. And I don't know how in the world I missed it. See it right there. But it's a silver coin. Might be a mercury dime. It's a modern dime. You gotta be kidding me. I missed it though. And that's the thing. It wasn't 2 inches deep. The dirt's wet. But there it is, the rosy dime. Not sure the year. I think I wrote it. It's just a rosy dime. That is awesome. 1964. You gotta be kidding me. Somebody was walking through here and